Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Ryan Budgets, and today I wanted to film a video, finally. And the reason why is because before my last paycheck, I actually had a bunch of bills, and I noticed that my bank account was very, very low, and I didn't really know why. So I went and I investigated, and I was like, oh my God, I only have like 20 bucks. And I actually had to borrow money from the house fund just so that, my bank account wouldn't balance or bounce or whatever you call it. So, I downloaded this app called Rocket Money, and literally it's not sponsored or anything. I wanted to tell you guys Rocket Money is really cool because it shows you a breakdown of everything that you've been spending, and it shows it really well because honestly, most of all my money is going towards fast food. It's going towards purchases from Amazon, and I mean, I just have way too much stuff leaving my bank account. That's why I don't have anything. And literally, I'm gonna be upfront and honest with you. I was budgeting a little bit at the beginning of the year, and then all of a sudden I stopped. And because I don't know. I don't really know why I stopped, but now I am back because I am broke. And I need to get back into the no spending days, and I need to get back into the little small games that we were playing before. And I also need to just overall just save money so that I can. That's a train if you hear it. Anyway, I need to just save some money so that I can start paying off my credit cards, because almost every single one of my credit cards are maxed out. And I still have that loan for my old repo, and that I'm still working on. Like, there's just a lot of stuff, a lot of debt. And as you guys know, me and Jay actually bought a house in January, and we owe about we owe about 192,000 left on that. Jay has student loans, he has his own credit cards. He's not going to be budgeting with me on camera, but he is budgeting. He has his own app that he's budgeting. He's using the Dave Ramsey app, the Every Dollar app. So, he's got his own thing. The Every Dollar app doesn't really work for me. I don't really find it very helpful for me. So anyways, we have all that debt. We have credit card debt. We have, I have all that stuff. So basically, to sum up everything, I am broke and I need to get back into budgeting really bad. I have a new binder. I actually have 2 new binders, and it's all gonna be redone from how I used to budget, because there's just way too much stuff now that the way I was budgeting before, it's not gonna work this time, which I'll explain more in later videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm just letting you guys know that I am back to budgeting because I am broke and I need money. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.